Aqui toca o seu sucesso.
Atenção! É agora que o bicho vai pegar.
DJ Alisson.
Só toca as melhores. As melhores.
ladies involved. And let's get mad. Shake it.
Well, check it out, everybody, cause the summer's here. We got a brand new dance to get you in gear. It's really fresh, stupid, deaf, and it's down by law. We got a brand new dance called Drop Them Draws. Drop them draws. Drop them draws. This dance is just as it sounds. If you wanna do it right, you got to drop your drawers down.
But hold up, don't drop them down too low, but just enough so you can keep the flow.
It makes the girlies go crazy and the guys get wild.
If you kinda lean back, it's just your style.
So check it out, it's funky fresh and it's down by law.
We got a brand new dance, so
Drop them draws.
easy to do. You just gotta lean your back.
Try it. Show me how it goes. Ready?
Do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing. You want to follow me?
Cause it's a brand new sensation that's sweeping the nation. To do the drop the draws, it takes skill and coordination.
If you don't know how to dance,
there's really nothing to it.
Just follow us to the floor,
and we'll show you how to do it.
Until the end of time,
this dance is real raw.
So get busy, stupid deaf,
y'all,
and drop them draws. Drop them draws.
Coast to West Coast, we're hip hopping. Street freaks, yeah, we just street freaks. Street freaks, yeah, we just street freaks. Got my ghetto box blasting. I'm a street freak. I ain't ashamed. Say what? If you a street freak, let me hear you scream. I ain't ashamed. Trying to be so bourgeois. Do you like this beat?
Yeah.
Do you like this groove?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make you wanna move?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make you wanna break down?
Yeah.
Then you're a freak.
All you hip hoppers, repeat after me. Pass the funk. I said pass the funk. Pass the funk. I said pass the funk. Pass the funk. Thank you.
boom, 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 boom. Back, boom, 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 back, boom, 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 back, boom, 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 back, boom, 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 boom.
That time to get busy. Drop the bass that makes you dizzy. The one I kick is atmospheric. Any other bass must be generic. And my kick drum makes you get dumb. Raise your blood pressure like sodium. Everybody wants to get some, but I'm supplying only the minimum, boy. So get with it. From my FP12 I transmit it. When I hear it, I feel proud. When I play it, I'm pulling a crowd. One hit and you're an addict, otherwise known as a bass fanatic. And I jet without a trace, cause yo, I'm talking bass. Bass. No, I go by the name of Eddie B, and it's been a while since you heard from me. But I'm back, yo, and I'm banking. Clock the G's, MCs, I rank it. I'm large and I'm growing. Kick the beat funky and I'm flowing smooth like silk. I'm better for you than a glass of milk. While I'm on stage or while I'm touring, I jam hard as Michael and Jordan. And that's a fact, Jack, not fiction. Grab a mic and spark like friction. Cause I'm sweet, never be sour. Pump the juice cause I got the power. And I'll tell you right to your face, yo, I'm talking bass. On the marquee, DJ Quest and Eddie B. Coming correct straight from Miami. Kick the bass, nominated for a Grammy. And that's knowledge, take it to the bank. Suckers who cross me are coming up blank. Try this, but I ain't no flunky. So grab a girl and
Yeah, that's what it is, yo.
often try to imitate it. The kick drum that I created, never known quite what to say, cause it's
made fresh every day.
Yeah, and that's word. Anything else must be absurd. Even one I got has been stolen from those trying to keep me from rolling. And I play it like a Christmas carol, breaking glass like Ella Fitzgerald. Too hype, too dope, too for ya. Try it, don't deny it's good for ya. Some claim I run with the devil, cause I'm raising decibel levels. But I tell them right to the face, yo, I'm talking bass. I'm talking bass.
DJ Alisson,
O melhor do Brasil.